Hey everybody, Alexander Molding. We're back at it again. We've got another innovation we want to show you. This is our primed MDF Shiplap. I know you're going to say everybody's got Shiplap, but ours is really different. It's actually patent pending. We've actually designed, there's a nail line here and a locking joint. We're going to do a quick install and we're going to show you how this all works together. But basically what this is going to do, this is going to help cut your install time by half and just make this job super smooth. Watch me as I show you how to use it. Alright, well there we have it. You know, one quick install just to show how this product goes together. As you noticed, we did half the nailing because we're only nailing in the top part. And when you install the next piece, it covers the nail holes. So the most important thing, no touch-ups to do. You're ready for paint. Project is done. It's beautiful. If you want more information on this product, follow the link in the comments. It'll bring you to our website. And if you have any questions or comments, also submit those. We'll be glad to answer them. And of course, if you like this video, hit us up with a like. Thanks.